From the Tulunadu region, we bring to you Patrode, a traditional delicacy made from Colocasia or Taro leaves or Kesavan soppu mixed with sweet, spicy and tangy rice batter and steamed in banana leaves. Loaded with iron, vitamin C and beta-carotene, this dish is consumed specifically during the monsoons or aati for its health benefits. We bring to you 3 ways to prepare Patrode in this recipe. Welcome to Savor Street. Let's start with the rice batter. Soak 1 cup dosa rice and 1 cup white boiled rice or kuchulakki at least for 4 hours or overnight. Next, wash a cup of Colocasia or Taro leaves, about 20 to 30. I recommend choosing tender leaves for this dish. If you find any visible stems at the back, just slice and cut it out like so. Chop it into small pieces. The leaves are ready, keep it aside. Now for the masala paste, into a mixer, add a cup of grated coconut, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 tablespoon jaggery, 5 to 6 bad ghee red chilies, a lemon-sized tamarind pulp. This prevents the leaves from itching. Blend it into a smooth paste. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and the soaked rice. Add a cup of water and blend it to a coarse paste. Pour this batter over the chopped leaves. Add 1 tablespoon salt and start mixing. Mix until everything is well combined. Keep it aside. Let's prep the banana leaves. Run the backside of the leaf over a flame to make it supple. This makes it easy to fold into packets without tearing. This step also releases its natural oils and inherent fragrance. Steaming in banana leaves packs nutrients into the cooked food. In the meantime, let's get the steamer ready. Add water. Place the plate and the banana leaf. Put it to boil. Let's prepare the Patrode parcels. Onto the pre-flamed banana leaf, put few portions of the batter like so. Cover the leaf over the batter as shown. You can even make cylindrical shaped Patrodes by folding as well. Place these parcels in the steamer. Cover and let it steam for 30 minutes. By steam cooking adequately, the mild side effects of taro leaves such as itching can be prevented. Once the Patrode is ready, take them out. Open the parcels. Plain Patrode is ready to be relished. Serve it with a side of jaggery and coconut mixture or bella kaisuli, which complements the dish perfectly. Or you can temper them into a pan, add coconut oil, mustard seeds, peanuts, urad dal and chana dal. Roast until they brown. Next add curry leaves, 1 chopped onion,
Once translucent, add grated coconut, half a teaspoon salt,
Give it a mix. Roughly cut or crumble patrode and add them in. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Stir-fried or tempered patrode is ready to be served. Another way is to pan roast them. Cut the patrode into slices and place them on a hot tava. Cook until well roasted on both the sides. Enjoy the patrode roast as it is or as a side with rasam or curd rice. If you don't have access to taro leaves, you can make variations of patrode using spinach or cabbage. Do try this recipe and let us know which way you like to patrode the most. Let us know in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching Savor Street. See you in the next video.